Right after Prime Minister Narendra Modi put the spotlight on a certain secret deal between Congress and the businessmen Adani and Ambani, a comment that has been given by a Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, which has now stirred up a storm. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary speaking to a digital portal saying that they will stop attacking Adani and Ambani in Parliament if they send Congress party money to spend. Now, the BJP taking up this issue as far as this video going viral is gunning for the Congress, calling this as political extortion. Well, all right, just getting Sagarika to help us explain exactly what it is all about and how the BJP is now taking up this statement by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Of course, has quoted controversies in the past as well with his comments that he has been making. But in this recent interview that seems to be giving to a digital portal, he says that we will stop our attacks on Adani and Ambani in Parliament if they don't give us money. That is why we attack them in the Parliament. That is the statement that is now being picked up by the BJP and saying that this is the true kind of a mindset that as to the reason why, because they don't get money from Adani and Ambani, that is what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary seems to be claiming is the very reason that they have been taking up their names in Parliament time and again. And of course, we have seen the kind of Parliament deadlock that has also been witnessed over the same issue. Now, this is the disclosure, what the BJP has been calling it, saying that extortion mindset of the Congress party has now been exposed. Yes, Sagarika, what is the BJP saying?
The Bharatiya Janata Party has tweeted an excerpt from that interview in which Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is seen telling the journalist about Congress's non-stop attacks on Adani Ambani. And in that video, Amita, if you've seen it, he laughs about it and in a mocking way, mockingly, very candidly goes on to say that yes, the attacks on Adani Ambani will stop if they send us money. Let them send us money. So now the money factor becomes a huge deal in the political discourse. And Amit Malviya goes on to say the acts of Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary are nothing less than political extortion. In his recent interview, he unmasked Congress and says that they will stop attacking Adani Ambani the moment they give money to the Congress. Of the two, Rahul Gandhi has already stopped attacking one. This is equivalent to the acts of TMC's Mahua Moitra, who allegedly took money and expensive gifts from Dubai-based businessman to attack Indian businesses in Parliament. So the Bharatiya Janata Party gunning for the Congress party, gunning for leaders of the INDIA bloc after this comment by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Recently, we heard that very, very strong statement from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he questioned the Congress party over their secret deal. That is what Prime Minister said. Dal mein kuch kala hai, spoke about Kala Dhan and questioned the secret deal between Congress party and Adani and Ambani, two industrialists who the Congress party, who Rahul Gandhi have attacked non-stop over the last 5 to 7 years, Amita.
All right, Sagarika, thank you for that update. And this is the BJP now taking it up in the big way. We have Rishabh with us also joining in. Well, is this attack motivated? Is the BJP is raising this point right now, Rishabh?
Well, definitely. The war of words between BJP and Congress and India Alliance is just getting higher day by day as the elections are, going ahead. Tomorrow is the fourth phase of the election, and the way BJP and Congress are, getting into this argument is something that is quite big. And now the center point is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. The way there is a clear divide that is being seen within India Alliance and something that BJP is trying to encash now.
All right, Rishabh, thank you for that update. So this has been rather an interview that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary seems to be giving to a digital portal where he seems to be heard saying that we attack Adani and Ambani in Parliament because they don't give us money. And the BJP is now calling it out and calling it as political extortion. This has been the comment that has now been coming in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary in the past, who has been attacked in a similar fashion. But as far as the Prime Minister has also been raising the issue, saying that conspicuously we are looking at such kind of the time when the election dates were announced, somehow the Congress party and its leaders during their election rallies have stopped taking the name or using the name of Adani and Ambani in their political speeches. However, there was in a counter to that video by Rahul Gandhi that was also posted saying that it is the Prime Minister who is scared, and in fact a series of clippings that were also shared of Rahul Gandhi time and again raising and invoking the name of Ambanis and Adanis and top industrialists in his election speeches. Now this is the BJP picking up this matter as far as Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement is concerned, calling it as political extortion.